Hi everybody, this is Lexi from Rome Lab, and today we are removing our grille from our 2015 Ram 3500 truck. We are upgrading our truck bumper, but to get to the bumper we need to remove the grille. Fortunately, this is a quick and easy project, so let's get started. Since we are removing the grille to access other parts of the truck, it's important that we don't lose any fasteners. We store everything in a safe corner to easily reassemble later. First, we remove the lowest screw from each inner fender. Next, we remove the radiator fan cover by freeing 4 panel clips. These clips are plastic, so you want to be careful not to break them. They are cheap to replace, but who wants to make an unnecessary trip to the auto store? Some of these clips are easy to remove by hand, but we also use a set of panel clip pliers to remove the more troublesome clips. Once free, we set aside the radiator fan cover. Now, if you have a diesel truck, you are going to need to unclip the block heater plug harness from the bumper. It should be on the right side of the vehicle near the tow hook, but we have a gasser, so we skip this step. Instead, we move on to remove the 4 flange head screws securing the grille. Nice and easy. Finally, it's time to remove the grille from the truck body. There are 4 plastic clips that secure the grille, 2 on each side. The top 2 will easily release by gently but firmly pulling the top of the grille from the truck. The second 2 clips are similar with a tab on top. I use a flat head screwdriver to release the tab so I can use both my hands to pull the grille free from the last clip. With those clips freed, we can easily pull the grille away and set it aside with the radiator fan cover and fasteners. And there we go! I tried to keep this video simple, but you can find more written directions with pictures and extra annotations on our website, romelab.com. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Rome Lab for future DIY truck camper renovation projects.